Welcome guys to Motorons. Firstly, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you have subscribed. A giveaway is coming up, so make sure that you have subscribed. The steps for the giveaway are in the description below. So today we will discuss the accessories of Kia Sonet interior dress. The video for the exterior thingy is only out on my channel. Not only, but I was the first one to do that. So subscribe the channel. Yes, subscribe the channel, like and share the video, and go check out my video for the exterior thing. Yeah, so firstly we have to write Kia Sonet accessories on Google. Then you can see it will show Kia genuine accessories, and then we will click on it. So let's see. Yeah, so now you can see we have the accessories here, but these are the accessories of the vehicle, not the interior. So it's interior and exterior mixed. So for convenience we will click on interior. Now you can see the accessories for interior has uploaded. So and there are two pages for it, so the video might go a bit long. Here comes our first accessory, 3D cabin mat. So let's click on it. It's telling that it will give all-round protection from liquid spill, mud and dust for 2800 rupees, which is like damn costly. So I would recommend you to buy it aftermarket. Also I have provided a link in the description for a better quality and a cheaper one. I think the webcam is like breaking the flow of reading, so let's move it to any other place which will be more convenient. In 3, 2, 1, and here you see. Okay, so now let's go to the second accessory, 3D trunk mat. So let's see what's it. It's saying it is made up of high grade PVC mat to protect the boot carpet of your Sonet, and it will cost you 1900 rupees. So like not 1900, around 1900. The prices may vary to showroom. You can see the photo of the 3D trunk mat in the screen here. Yes, this is the thingy. Our third accessory here is the carpet mat. Okay, so let's change the camera position again, and here, so it is showing plush quality designer carpet mat for a tidy and welcoming interior. It will cost you 1700 rupees, which is like it's worthwhile, and it's looking good and sensational because it just caught my eyes when I saw it in the showroom. Okay, so this will cost you 1700 rupees again, and I will give it 9 points really out of 10. And if you're using this mat on a red color Sonet, it will just look fab. Okay, so here comes our fourth accessory, all weather mat. Let's see. It's also made up of high grade PVC mat for all weather protection of your Sonet, and this will cost you around 1400 rupees. You can see a photo here. And should I tell you one thing, you see this mat and this 3D cabin mat, actually there is no difference. The difference is just the design. Yeah, and they are also made up of same material. So I think you should go for the all weather mat rather than the 3D cabin mat. Then it comes dual layer mat. Let's see. It's showing that it's 5D floor mat with detachable top layer for added protection and easy cleaning. It's for 5200 rupees approximately. I won't recommend it because it's not worthwhile and it's costly too. I have this like equipped in my Sonet for 1500 rupees. So like it's a better quality for a cheaper price. For that also I will leave a link below in the description. Yeah, let's continue then. Then it comes sunshade rear glass. Okay, so it's showing sunshade rear glass. Shield your boot from sunlight with this precision cut sunshade for rear glass. This will cost you around 920 rupees, which is like okay, this price will work, but I won't recommend it because it's not like it's a fixed sunshade, so it might make you compromise in the quality of visibility in the car. So I won't recommend it, and it's not recommended by the RTO too. Anyway, let's continue. So let's see which is the another accessory. So the another accessory is sunshade rear, not rear, front window, sunshade front window. Okay, so it's telling sunshade for two for front doors. Like you will get a pair for it, not yeah pair. You will get two sunshades. Shield your parked car from sun and onlookers. So basically, the onlookers, we know that those guys sneaking in the cars, like yeah, whatever. So this will cost you 1650 rupees, and I won't recommend it to buy from the Kia store because it's a costly thing, and you can get again a better price, a better quality in the online market or the offline market. So I have left the link for it in the description below. Oh, here comes my favorite accessory of Kia Sonet. Let just a second. Yeah, so you can see headrest cushion. Those are really comfortable headrests for the rear passenger for a perfect long drive in your Sonet. So basically, I also have it in my Sonet because you know the rear headrest in the Sonet, they are like too thick and hard, so it just hits your head when you like keep it on it. So this will help a lot, and somewhat it gives the headrest looks like when this headrest is equipped, it looks like the E-Class. Yeah, the E-Class also has it. So let's continue again, and again this will cost you 1250 rupees. Here comes the another accessory, key cover. Let's see what's this. Okay, so this is a photo of key cover that you will get. You can see it here. This will cost you 630 rupees approximately. So it's showing that protect your car key in style with this precisely designed rugged key cover. Do you know one thing? If you buy the key cover for Seltos also, you get the same thing. Yes, the same thing, because my friend has it and he also has this accessory, so we just compared it side by side. So it was totally same. And again, it's not worthwhile, so I will leave a link below in the description for a better quality at a cheaper price. Okay, so here comes the vacuum cleaner. Let's see. So it's a vacuum cleaner with high power vacuum cleaner. No, it's a high power vacuum cleaner to keep your car dust and dirt free always. It will cost you 2200 rupees approx. And I think you shouldn't buy it because the normal home vacuum cleaners will also work. And do you notice one thing? This thing gets a car charger, like not a charger, car adapter, no, rather than a normal adapter. So again, I won't recommend it to buy. Yeah, and I will also leave the link in the description for a better quality one. Okay, so here comes the accessory for people who are buying models like HTE, HTK and all, because they don't have leather seats, and these leather seats are really of good quality. Okay, so it is showing Raven Black with red accent, high grade long lasting PU seat cover with red accent stitching to add sportiness to interior of your Sonet. But again, it's costing 5300 rupees approx, and I won't recommend it. Rather than buying this, I would recommend you to buy it from a like offline store, from you like what will we say, you can get it for a better price and a better quality, and you can also have something customized on it if you buy it from the offline stores, and still it will be cheaper than this. Okay, then it comes ink black with gray font. So should it like why should I need to. So if you want to like have a detailed look in a car, you can go with the previous accessory that I told, and if you want like a tech line thing, you can go with this seat cover. So it's for again the same price, 5520 rupees, not the same price. It's saying dual tone high grade PU with perforation for distinctive interior look. Okay, so again, I think you should get it from the aftermarket services. Yeah, so here comes the shell gray with black contour seat cover, which is basically of white color, and this will cost you 5400. Again, let me read the contents. Light gray color with black piping to the interiors of your Sonet. Okay, not bad. So here comes my favorite seat cover, amber brown quilted seat cover. It's made up of high grade PU in tan brown color with quilted texture for an exclusive interior look. Yeah, you know one thing, this seat cover is looking like the seats which are provided on the top model of MG Gloucester. Yeah, these seats are really good, and I will pay like this 5500 rupees only for this seat. Yeah, because I like the material and the texture so much that I can do anything for it. Okay, so the interior accessories are have finished. So let's see if there are more interior accessories in all thing. Headlamp garnish. Here it starts with the exterior thing again. So I don't think there's any interior accessory again. So again, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you have subscribed and hit the bell icon to never ever miss any of my videos. And again, a giveaway is coming, so yeah, the steps for that are in the description. And let me tell you one thing, like the accessories that I showed you today are too costly, so I have just made some links from Amazon and left them in the description, and the accessories which I have left in the description will have better quality at a cheaper price for sure. So again, it's time to end the video. So bye, subscribe to channel. Thank